You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again, people. Guess what? Squash is free. Squash up on the road, you know. Squash out the road and all these things. We are going to talk about that after this.
Six never change, how we see one. If you see me white dog, I the same man. SE make me cool, girl I blow like fan. Time for know the real persons. See that every day. Never six. Whole team out here now, man. Wash away my sins. Wash away my sins. Wash me truly. Why you prove me? Father God, wash me truly. Wash me truly. Wash away my out here, man. Live and
so people, as you know, Squash, the entertainer Squash, who sing that song,
yeah. Why you all talk about money when you ain't got none and you know that you broke? Why you all wanna talk about the white lady? Oh, you ain't got no dope. Why you know about the big Benz park up? Shop down, put it in a spot. Girlfriend claim just as smart and use her head. Make sure you use her child.
And him sing that song again.
Me no in a bankrupt. Me no day a jail dash for the handcuff. Money in our pocket, you know me tank up. Six out here, you know we rank prof. Hotter than a cup of coffee.
Him sing a bag of good songs. You see it? Him a get a bag of attention last year. But guess what? You see like probably 90% or like 80% of last year Squash did the behind bars. So Squash first went behind the bars around March, April sometime this of last year. You see me? So that's 2018. Then in a June, July, somewhere this again, them get him get released. You see me? And remember, you know, the police them hold him under the state of emergency. Them just pick him up, lock him up, and say, yo, you know, say you want body youth, we not let you go. Without no reason, him no get charged, no nothing. So when him go so booms now and forward back a road, you see me? Them hold on upon him again, and them hold on upon him in August. So since August till now, and now at January, almost February, him just a get released. But last year, I probably one of the best year for Squash in the music business. Even though him spend, we can clearly say half of the year behind bars, him still do good. You see me? Him drop hits like Trending and Ooh La La La.
Me no let me gun, ooh la 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 la. Oh, gotta be fun, make real money. Give me friend them some, ooh la 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 la. Me no let me gun, ooh la 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 la.
And some other songs where them do good. You see it? Them do good, them a play. Him get actually hit songs from behind the bar. You see it? I want to fact, some people would say Squash is like the breakout artist for last year in a dance hall. But him did it behind the bars. But today, right now, the man get free. Yo, thank you God. So right now, Squash can do more music. You see it? And people, the system set away, you know, because you go lock up a man from them time there, and them lock him up, and them release him. You see it? And them not charge him. Them never charge him. And then go so booms and lock up back the man again in August and just free him out right now. And them never charge him. You see it? Them not giving an explanation. Them just lock him up under the State of Emergency Act. You see it? So you tell me in the comment section if them think they no injustice. You see it? I can watch you now. I have a problem with the law perform, with police perform the law and all these things. You see me? But my thing is, if you do the crime, you have to do the time. So if Squash did go so booms and Squash a do road and a hot up road certain way, me not talk musically, but with violence, him need to do the crime. You see me? But uno pre this. How can they hold a man from them time until now, but them never charge him? Him never get charged, people, and now them just release him like that. I see him, so them set up Tommy Lee. You see me? And right now, Tommy Lee have to sue back the system. So, me don't know, Squash just forward out today, so me don't know if Squash a pre fi sue back the system, because him can do it. But then again, yo, John will start. To the system is so corrupt, it's hard for you win the system. You see me? But yo, I'm glad say Squash their road. I'm want to just pre that video.
Time for know the real persons. Every day. Never six. Whole team out here no man. Wash away my sins. Wash away my sins. Wash me truly. Why you prove me? Father God, wash me truly. Wash me truly. Wash away my out here man. Live and
yeah man, a squash that attack dog. What? Yo, it's a good feeling. So you know say everybody a part of the six right now, them good. You see it? Chronic Law supposed to feel good. Javilani supposed to feel good. And other members. And right now, I know we are gonna know who real from who never real. I know we are gonna know who did that Ichan from who not Ichan. You see me? Because him there road now, him can do interviews, him can do shows and all these things. So him can talk what is real. You see me? Him can talk like who did betray him. You see me? Because him put out a song.
you used to have one leap of friend. When me drop a tea and remember me. Mount a letter when me write me send mommy. Me a go and want it thoughts to tell laddie. Me telling him me soon come home.
Yeah, so when him go so booms and put out that song, him talk a bag of things in that song. You see me? Him say a bag of people like say yo, at them time that him know him friend. Him know who real from who never real. You see me? Him know who real from who fake. So right now, we are gonna know what is what. So people more wanna left it in the comment section below. Which squash are your favorite squash? You glad say squash the road now? Or probably you don't know who is squash. You see me? And I know you just realize say, oh, other you there sing the bird song them because remember you know from when him start getting buzz in a dancehall music, people never really know him that much because him go behind the bars. So a lot of people don't know who is Squash, don't have an idea, don't have a photo in their mind, don't have an image and say yo Squash look like that or Squash look like that. You see me? Even me, I just late in the last year, me get to find out like see a real image of Squash because me they just always hear that song you play. You know see we trending youth and I say yo, who do that song there? That song that sound bad. You see me? And that is where I really got introduced to Squash. You see it? Them time them start listen Squash. People in our comment section might have said, Chaddy, you know say you're late. A long time we are listen Squash X, Y, and Z. But yo people that are me just start listen Squash them time there, you see me? But me listen him craft and me I say, no, that youth are a bad artist. That youth are a bad artist. That youth are need for their road. No. And people, the next thing we want to talk about, every day I manage Squash. You see me? I know say every day used to, I don't know if him still manage Tamale, but I know say him used to manage Tamale and him used to manage Destiny Sparta and some other entertainer in our business. You know say every day them they around from a long time. Tell me when you talk about that, about every day managing Squash. Because me left my thoughts in our next review. But the thing is yo, Squash their road. We expect more music from Squash. Yo, all who have a solid foundation right now and Squash their road, you know, me sorry for them, you know, because we know say Squash them just gonna release songs after songs after songs. Don't be surprised if before that day you're done, you hear one bad song from Squash. You see me? And you don't know say Chronic Law them release song like every day. Me don't know how the damn band them do it, but like every single day, me see Chronic Law them a release song. Yo, the six is real. You see me? So me have to big up all of the six them. You see me? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, tell me your thoughts, how you feel say Squash their road right now, and you feel like say Squash need to pressure back the system because him earn a lot, or I should say him lost a lot of income. He would have earned a lot if Squash did their road. Remember, you know, Squash never a vice no dub, him nah do no shows. You see me? I just the 1 and 2 song them we go road, I get play and just through people and figure out say yo that you are a bad artist, and that's why them song they even a get play because you don't know dancehall go. When you lock up behind the bars, it's hard for your song them get play. Only Vibes Cartel me say do that something there. And now Chronic Law Squash come do that something there right now. You see me? So people, it's a good look. Just left your thoughts in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see me? Click the like button if you like this video. and just share it with a friend and comment. You see me? I'm out.
Can't guess what? Enough of them love when they real you dead. Enough of them glad for me that yeah.